Hello everyone and welcome back. So we're gonna be looking at some new clips, and for this one it's 4 clips. And yeah, the first clip we're gonna look at is according to the source of this footage, the video we're about to see is that it was released by a former Russian citizen who is volunteering in Ukraine to fight against Russia. So let's check it out. Shit guys, I'm so fucking excited to see where this fucking war is going. And yes, we need to continue supporting Ukraine. I have to talk a little bit about this because it pisses me off still. Because a lot of people are now saying that the US shouldn't, that they should stop supporting Ukraine, that they should just pull out. But really what we have to do is we have to continue supporting Ukraine. They want to defend their country. How can we let them not defend their country? If we have the ways to do it, know the means to do it, we should. You know? That's my personal opinion though. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next clip. And this is footage from the Ukrainian National Guard Special Missions Unit, and they're conducting a anti-tank guided missile strike against a Russian BMP. Fuck, these guided missiles have fucking changed the battlefield. At least the shoulder-held ones, the NLAWs and the javelins, and I don't remember the name, but the Spanish-made. I really like the Spanish-made because it's just aim and fire, and it does the job itself, you know. Alright, moving on. Yeah, we just talked about guided missile. This is footage from the Ukrainian 93rd Brigade, and they're shooting down a Russian drone with a Stinger missile.
Yes! 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 Woo!
Так, що тут у нас? Камера. А де камера? Камера вигоріла, так?
Все, стакан.
Стакан з камери, так?
Бачиш, він вигорів, то що
Вигорів повністю.
регулюється. А движок сам этот самий, понял? Да. О, мені якась на машині.
Маркировка є якась на движку там?
Та хуй, ось очки ноту.
Я понял.
Це те, що було там, да.
Ну все.
Спасибо, що забрали.
Слава Україні!
fucking felt their joy, that's for sure. So, last clip. The clip is showing Ukrainian forces that are carrying out a deadly strike against reported Russian FSB targets on Russian soil. That's important. And they're using a US-made Switchblade 300 loiter munition to attack on Russian soil. That's crazy. Yeah, I just wanna check out the video, so let's do it. Those fucking drones are so fucking nuts, you guys. It's nuts, you know? Shit. Imagine just standing around, you know, taking some groceries out of your car and something just comes diving down, you know? If you've been walking around some birds' nests and their mother is protecting their kids, the birds start diving down, you know, for you. And it's probably similar feeling, but it just goes boom and it's black, you know. Fucking hell. Shit. Alright. Thank you for watching. Like, you know, like so we get these videos out on the algorithm. Subscribe. It's gonna help me out a lot. And yeah, also ring the bell so you don't miss the new videos that I post every day. Alright, peace out.